Welcome to calculus. You will master complex problems, but forget how to add. On this episode, Stevenson will demonstrate
Now let's look at the first of our three existence theorems that we're going to study in calc. So functions that are continuous on intervals have properties that make them very useful in mathematics and its applications. One of these is the intermediate value property. A function is said to have the intermediate value property if it never takes on two values without taking on all the values in between of it. So we abbreviate the intermediate value theorem as IVT. It's basically an existence of terms, okay? So again, it's one of our three existence theorems. A function y equals f of x that is continuous on a closed interval, a to b, will take on every value in between f of a and f of b, so all these values right here, okay? So if we have a continuous function on a closed interval, then if this is the interval, then your function will have all the y values, all the outputs must exist from here to here. It will have all those values. You might have some out of it below and above, but it will have everything in between. In other words, if y sub naught or y naught is between these two numbers here, then you would be able to find a c value that will give you that particular value there. Okay, so this is an existence theorem. So it says this theorem may seem so obvious that it doesn't need to be singled out for special attention. However, it is important because it provides a foundation for the fundamental theorems on which calculus is built. The continuity of f on the interval is essential to theorem 8. If f is discontinuous at even one point of the interval, the theorem's conclusion may fail, as it does in this particular graph here. So if we look at this figure right here, okay, this is why is it important that continuity be there? Well, this is a function one-to-one. The limit does not exist, okay? It is a closed interval, but notice, since it's not continuous, the outputs do not, they cover from 0 to 2, not even at 2, and then all they carry is 3. So they miss all the values in between 2 and 3 there because it is not continuous.